In this video, we will be going over the first step after registration. We will make a class and section. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Students, Academics, and Academic Setup. The first tab that appears to your left is the Sections tab. We will create a section by clicking the top right button, the blue one, and we'll name the section Yellow, just as an example. Then after that, we'll save and create a new one by clicking Save and New, and then it will prompt us with record saved successfully. And we can name the new one Red. Then you can click the Save and Close button, the blue one. So after that, as you can see, the two sections have been made, and you can click the Action button to the right of it to edit and delete the sections. And that's it for the first step after registering for AIMS.